Want to be more fierce, confident, radiant, and you simply just want to glow, then you should follow my 4-step glow method. And the first letter in that is G, right? G is that you need to get your vibe up. You need to increase your vibration. The higher your vibration goes, your vibe attracts your tribe. Your vibe attracts your guy. Your vibe is what you emit, and what you get back is based on what you're emitting out. So, how can you get your vibe up? Eat high vibrational foods such as green leafy vegetables, fruits, water. There's a difference between drinking on soda all day and drinking on water. Which one is going to add to your skin being healthy and beautiful from the inside out, right? That water is going to add to that. You can listen to high vibrational music. Also, think about the people you surround yourself with. Are the people in your tribe, are they vibing high? Are they about success? Are they about improvement? Are they about developing themselves? Are they confident? Are they whole? Are they complete? So those are things you want to think about. The L in my glow method is to learn your love language, right? You can go online. Gary Chapman created it. Normally we do it for our partners, but I want you to do it for yourself. If you need words of affirmation, give that to yourself. If touch is yours, give that to yourself. Figure out what your love language is. Take the quiz, give it to yourself, and then teach other people how to treat you. The O is going to be to open yourself up to love. Stop closing yourself off. If you find that it's hard for you to be vulnerable and intimate and have conversations with people, then you need to learn how to open your heart up and vibrate from a place of love, which is a higher vibrational frequency, which will allow you to be confident and glow and manifest and attract to you what you want. The last thing is the W. Watch your words. What words are you sharing about yourself to yourself and that you share to others? So saying I can't afford something versus, oh, let me see if I can make that work, is a whole different vibration. Up your